Hi there, this is Doron from Lusha, and I'd like to show you how to use the plugin on LinkedIn today. So as you can see, Lusha is sitting here on the side of my screen. What does Lusha actually do? How does it work on LinkedIn? Now, let's say I was looking for a contact of mine. For the purpose of this demonstration, I use a colleague of mine in Lusha. So if I'm looking for Alex Wayman within an organization, and I can find him on LinkedIn, so I would then search his name. I would then click on his contact details here. And of course, I don't have any actual phone numbers or emails that I find on LinkedIn. Having said that, Lusha has found for me the information that I need. And with the click of a single button, I can just immediately see or be made aware of the contact details that Alex had. Now, let me show you a little bit more about what you're actually seeing here. So every single time you would click, a credit would be taken. At the same time, a credit would only be deducted from your account when you actually show the contact details themselves. So you could go and search different contacts within LinkedIn, and then only when you would actually show the contact details, as I'm showing you here, only at that point would we then take a credit. So what are the actual details that I see here? So Lusha actually focuses on 4 different types of data points: on personal emails, on work emails, on personal cell phones, and on work cell phones. Now you can see here that I've also found 2 particular contact details for Alex, his work email and a cell phone. And with the click of a button, I can copy this number to my clipboard, as you can see. Now, just if I could just open up a browser here just to show you, this is the number or immediately copied to the clipboard. So we've shown you what Lusha can do on LinkedIn. Now I'd like to show you what Lusha can do on Salesforce. If I go to my Salesforce login over here, I'm currently using Salesforce Lightning. Now, as a quick tip for you to be aware of, Lusha does not work on Salesforce Lightning, and I would only use it on Salesforce Classic. So let me switch back to Salesforce Classic. Now, let's say, for example, I'm looking at an individual lead. Let's say I'm looking for Jessica Neal over here, and I need her contact details. Now, in this particular case, I have her contact details here already filled out. But let's say I didn't have them filled out. Let's say, for example, they were edited out. And I take away all of her contact details over here. If I were to do that, I could still find her contact details via Lusha. And Lusha will provide me with all of the contact details I need, including a personal email, a work email, and a cell phone over here. In addition to all of these contact details, we also provide 32 data points of the actual company information that we have found registered to that individual contact as well. So for example, the employee headcount, their LinkedIn page, the Facebook page, information about what the company does, and the website of the company itself. Now that we've shown you what you can do with Lusha on Salesforce, let me show you all of the possibilities of what Lusha can do within the admin itself. So here I am in the Luhsa Admin, and I'm currently clicked on the dashboard. Immediately you can find the usage, the amount of credits you've used, and I can also view the history of every single contact and lead that I have searched for and located the contact details for within the Lusha plugin. If I go back to the dashboard, you'll also see that I can manage my team within the dashboard as well. So currently I have 2 members and I have 37 users available within my account. And if I click here, I can actually start to manage them. I can invite members up here, and it would just literally be by me putting in an email address. For example, if I give my email address, I would just literally click it over here as such, and then I would then click invite members, and then that individual email address would then receive an invitation to join this account. You'll also find specifically within the dashboard an ability to upgrade your plan. Now, this is something you may want to do if you find that you're eating up your credits too quickly, or if you need to invite additional users into the account as well. In addition to these features, you can also plug your API into Lusha and then directly connect Lusha into your CRM. We have this ability on any CRM, and if you'd like more free credits, you can receive more free credits by inviting a friend into Lusha, either by clicking or sharing and copying the link. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you've had the opportunity to understand the possibilities of Lusha and how it can transform your sales behaviors.